phone with him multiple times a day.
You know where everywhere.
Just reading you Rothstein's Sanctum.
This is a specific intercom system. I'm referring to the plate that you speak into,
right,
where attorneys, staff, others would speak to gain access into the chairman's suite of offices. I'm not aware of that in practice with any other law firms. Law firms usually either walk in
right,
to speak to your partners or you knock on the door, but this is certainly a distinctive feature. There was a specific and separate access card key to be swiped, which was not the same card that other attorneys and staffs had for their general access to the facilities themselves. This is part of the Rothstein Sanctum or the Rothstein Suite, whatever you would describe it as. This is a structure of a secretive man. Paranoid's, I'm not a doctor, but highly secretive is the only way I could describe it. I've never seen in my life something where an attorney in the midst of his own law firm, in effect, has this level of security and such limited access to people in theory who are his partners. But again, it's important to emphasize that the practice of law is outside the sanctum, that the business and most especially the finances of law are here in the walls that you've stepped into. No, there are no attorneys in the sanctum. We understand that there are dozens, but I don't have. She was in the inner sanctum. And this is all. Standpoint of the attorneys. So the fact that somebody has been able to live a flashy lifestyle, right? And so, for example, anyone from hiring a lawyer, but they've got the inventory. They obviously left.
Mr. Coffey, what's the morale of the people in the firm right now?
Surprisingly good. They believe in each other. They're obviously so dismayed about the scandals that have surrounded their firm leader and a man who was a friend of many. But they're pulling together and just focusing on clients and cooperating with the authorities.
And people are waiving their paychecks right now. Is that right still?
Well, everyone is working even though there is uncertainty as to the next payroll. We're hopeful that the receiver will make the decision to fund the next payroll. But at this point, the financial decisions are in the hands of the Honorable Herbert Stetton.
So would you say that they have enough faith in Rosenfeld that's why they're all still on board?
I think Rosenfeld and each other. There's a strong group here. This is a very talented collection of lawyers, and it's, as a fellow professional, it's heartbreaking to see what's happened.